Hello, my name is Ada from the iMBrace team. Today, I'll be guiding you through one of the essentials of using iMBrace, how to create a data board. The data board is the foundation of iMBrace. It's not just for humans to read, it's designed so AI can understand every field, description, and selection. This is what makes it possible for iMBrace to take unstructured data, run it through pre-built workflows, and generate structured outputs for automation and human follow-up. In other videos, you'll see how we use the data board to automate and orchestrate those processes. But here, we're focusing on the very first step, how to create a data board. Once you've set this up, you'll be ready to ingest all kinds of unstructured data in the future using iMBrace. This is where it begins. First, create a new board in the data board to start adding your data. In this tutorial, we'll create a data board to track employee expense claims with fields for date, expense type, amount, and more. First, go to the menu, select Data Boards, and click New Board. Fill in the board name, description, and access settings. Fields marked with an asterisk are required. In this case, we'll name the board Expense Claims, with a description like Track and Manage Employee Expenses. Access will be given to all teams so that employees can enter their own data. After everything is filled in, click Next. Now that your board is ready, the next step is to create and manage fields. Think of fields as the building blocks of your data board. They define what information you want to capture and how it connects to your workflow automation. For this example, we're creating an employee expense claim data board, so let's begin by adding some essential fields. First, add expense date. This helps track when the expense occurred. Next, create expense type and choose multiple selection as the field type. You can list common options such as lodging, meals, and transportation. Then add expense amount and set the type to currency to record the value of each claim. After that, create a receipt attachment field so employees can upload supporting documents like scanned receipts. Finally, include approval status as a single selection field with options like pending, approved, and rejected to help monitor the review process. Once all fields are created, your data board will be ready to capture and organize every expense record clearly and efficiently. After setting up all the required fields, you can begin adding sample data to see how everything comes together inside the data board. iMBrace's document extraction AI lets you upload receipts and invoices and have the data extracted and structured automatically. But if you prefer, you can still key in the details manually, whichever fits your workflow best. Watch our document extraction AI video to learn more. For now, let's add a sample record to see how manual input works. In this example, we'll record a hotel stay for an employee's business trip. Once you've entered all the information, the record will appear neatly on your data board, ready for review, automation, or future reference. If you ever need to make changes, you can easily edit your data board. For more options, click the menu next to your board name. From here, you can edit your board, set up automations, export data as a CSV file, or even import records directly from a file. It's a quick and flexible way to manage and update your data board, all in one place. That's how you create your first data board, using a real employee expense claim as an example. With your board set up, you now have a structured space where data can be easily organized, tracked, and even automated. As an AI collaboration operating system powered by 6 core modules, iMBrace streamlines documents, communications, workflows, and knowledge into one connected intelligence layer. Now it's your turn. Explore iMBrace today and see what you can build. Scan the QR code to get started and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.